Yo, what's good guys? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can actually create an Afro beat from scratch, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the basics. The idea for this tutorial came from the snippet Victony dropped of his latest song on Instagram. So when I made this video, the song wasn't out already, but right now the song is out, so you guys could go check it out. And without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. So quickly, let's go into our DAW, and I've already used Audimi to convert the vocals so I don't get a copyright strike. And I've been using Audimi for a while now, and they've added a new singer, and this singer is called Yemi. So I've used Yemi to convert the vocals that Victony sang into this so I don't get a copyright strike, like I said. So quickly, I'm just gonna play what the vocal sounds like, and then we're going to creating this vibe. So let's listen.
You mean to need to meet to the make you on the bus palapito. Monare sao kanili down is that be show me more.
Nice.
Make I see now.
Nice. So I'm just gonna drag the tempo, to 98, which is like the tempo of the original song. So I have 98 BPM. So let's turn on our metronome and let's see the count and let's see how it goes.
You mean to need to meet to the make you on the bus palapito.
Nice. So I'm just gonna send the vocals to my mixer. I just use my EQ to take out some of the lows.
You mean to need to meet to
And I'm just
the
gonna
make
add
you on the bus
pop
palapito.
plates just to give it some reverb.
You mean to need to meet to the make you on the bus palapito.
Nice.
Nice.
So next, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring in the drums. And if you listen to the jam, I know I've not listened to the full jam, but from what I've listened to, it's just this blaze beat kind of bounce, which is just the kick and the snare. So I'm just gonna go get those sounds and just have this soft kick and the rim shot. So it's just a steady bounce. So that's what I'm just gonna create for my rim shot, and actually love this bounce. Like this, like my favorite bounce. So if you're a beginner, trust me, you could actually follow along. I'm just gonna try not to go too fast, and if I'm too fast, you can always pause the video and try to um understand what I just did before moving forward. So I'm just gonna put my rim shot, and I love arranging my stuffs on the piano roll, but you could actually just arrange it here, so it will be something like this. Yeah, but I think this will just be the bounce. Let me turn off. Yeah, so that's basically the bounce. But I'm gonna go to my piano roll, and what I like doing, I like playing around with the velocity. So I just take the velocity all the way up, so it's it hits really hard. So we have this. Instead of this. So with our Alt plus X, you'll be able to adjust the velocity all the way up, or how you want it to be, basically. So we have this. Then I'm gonna go to the next pattern, which will be on my kick. Keep coming after every, coming in. I'm just gonna do the same thing, Alt X, and just increase my kick. So have this. So I'm gonna copy this the same thing and just drag it to the next bar. So then I'm just gonna add on that one here. So basically, this is just the whole bounce that was on the song from what I heard on the snippet. So I'm just gonna put my soft clipper on my master, just to keep everything in check always. So let's put my soft clipper. Where's soft clipper? Yeah, okay. So next, I'm just gonna go into arranging the chord progression, and I love the chords, just major chords, but they are really, really nice, and that's what I'm gonna be doing now. So I'm gonna be using Labs. Labs is actually a free plugin, so you could actually just go get Labs, and I'm just gonna create the first pattern, which will be our piano, and what I'm gonna be using is the soft piano. So let's go create but let's find the key, and let's just find the key, which is D. So I'm just gonna transpose, and I got someone, or I saw a comment, someone asking, why do I transpose? Why don't I just play it on C? So basically, like right now, the vocal is on the key of D. If I try playing on the key of C, it's gonna sound off. So I transpose so that I can play on the key of C without it sounding off. I don't know if that explain it well. So I'm just gonna count 1, 2, and just count backwards 1, 2. So now I can play on the key of C and arrange my notes. So quickly, I'm just gonna arrange the chords for this. So we have our so this is what I'm gonna be using.
You mean
Let me just play it. So I'm gonna be using and there are source 2 chords basically. I just love the way it sounds. I don't know whether that's how the original one sounds, but you know, this is just my version. I love the sauceness. I love the sauceness of the chord, man. It's a lot. So let me see. No, I think I need to. I think it's extend. Each of them is 2 bar. Yeah. Yeah. So let's have this.
you mean to need to meet duty? Make you on the bus palapito. Monades out.
Yeah.
Got nearly down, it's that be show me no. Make I see now. Me I know carry Japanese. So make it show me you mean to need to meet duty. Make you on the bus palapito. Monades, you mean.
So I'm gonna layer it. It's gonna sound really heavy, but you know, from now, let's just have these. Then I'm gonna bring in Lounge Lizard. I'm just gonna copy the same chord progression, and let's create the next pattern and call this EP. Just transpose it and let's bring down the velocity. Alt X. Just yeah. Let me strum it. Alt S. So let's see.
You mean to need.
So let's put
You
down.
mean to need to.
I think I made a mistake. I made a mistake of. Let's go this way. Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
My night is out. Got nearly down. It's that be show me no. Make I see now.
Yeah, we have a vibe.
Me I know carry Japanese. So make it.
So next, I'm gonna just bring in this bass that he had, like a sub bass just going under, like an underwater bass. So that's what I'm gonna bring in. I'm gonna be using Toxic Boy Hazard. Yeah, let me try this and see if it works out. So make sure I'm on the key. So I'm just gonna go to the bass and I hopefully
You mean to.
so I'm just so
You mean to need to meet duty. Make you on the bus palapito.
yeah, so have this.
You mean to need to meet duty. Make you on the bus palapito. My night is out. Got nearly.
Let me hear. Let me. Yeah, so let me just use this. It's close to what I think it was used. So let me just render to wave. So this is the bass. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send it to my mixer, and it has this wobbling effect that was on it. So I'm gonna use kickstart, and yeah. So we have this. So
Though my night is out. Got nearly down. It's that be show me more. Make I see now. Me I know carry Japanese. So make it show me something. Wake up to be strong thing. No, make it to me tea. You mean to need to meet duty.
so yeah, you can hear the bass. If you're using headphones, you'll be able to hear the bass.
My night is out.
The
Got
bass.
nearly down. It's that be show me more.
Yeah, so I'm gonna bring in Contact 7, and I'm gonna be using the guitar, the Sunburst electric guitar. I'll make sure I'm on the right key. Always is very important. If not, so let's call this Melody. So
You mean to need to meet duty. You
So I'm just gonna go where's the change the melody pattern to flageolet. Flageolet.
You need the you need the you need the need you need the need the need you need the need the need the
yeah, something like this.
The need the need the make it on the passport. You need the need the need the make it on the passport beat out.
Yeah, so it's the same thing. I'm just gonna loop it in my mixer and just give it this reverby preset.
You need the need the need the make it on the passport beat out. One night is out, got nearly down. It's that be show me no, make I see now. Me I know carry Japanese, so make it show me something.
Next, what I'm gonna add is I'm gonna add a pad. So I just needed to have that emotional feel. So I'm gonna layer it with some pad, and for the pads, I'm gonna be using peculiar sounds. I think it's air pads I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna copy the chord progression and let's put that down.
You need the need to me.
So I'm just gonna paste that over here and have. Yeah, I give it this emotional churchy feel. So let's see together. Hope I'm on the key because it's yeah. Yep, so nice. So let me just bring in the rim. I'm gonna bring in more vocals and then bring in these contacts. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. Yeah, that's better.
Passport beat out. One night is out. Got nearly down. It's that be show me no. You need the need to meet the make it on the passport beat out.
Let me see lots of
make
reverb.
It on the passport beat out. One night is out. Got nearly down. It's that be show me no. Make it on the passport beat out. Make it on the passport beat out.
Yeah,
One
nice.
night is out. Got nearly down. It's that be show me no.
So I'm gonna go add flutes.
You need the need to meet the make it on the passport beat out. One night is out. Got nearly down. It's that be show me no.
Yeah, I'm also gonna put kickstart on it. So let me go add some nice kickstart. So it has. Yeah, man, have a vibe. See, this is already a vibe, like this is already a vibe, and we just have few sounds. Yeah, vibe. So let me just add a drum feel. Let's see. I thought there's this drum feel. Let me go check the amazing. Yes. So I think the next thing I can add is one. So I'm gonna add that bass. So I'm gonna go to, yeah, I think this is the bass.
No, make it to me, you need to meet the make it on the passport beat out. One night is out. Got nearly down. It's that be show me no. Make I see now. Me I know carry Japanese.
Okay, so I can start putting on. Let me show what I want it to sound like.
You need to meet the Make it your own, the possible not beat out. One night is out, got nearly down, it's that be show me no. Make I see now, me I know carry Japanese. So make it show me something, wake up to me strong thing. No, make it to me deep, you need to me do deep. Make it your own, the possible not. You need to me do deep. Make it your own, the possible not beat out. One night is out, got nearly down, it's that be show me no.
Yeah, so that's it.
You need to me do deep. Make it your own. You need to me do deep. Make it your own, the possible not beat out. One night is out, got nearly down, it's that be show me no. You need to me do deep. Make it your own, the possible not beat out. One night is out, got nearly down, it's that be show me no.
Yeah, so I just got the snippet from IG, so that's why it's not complete. But you know, you get the vibe.
You need to me do deep. Make it your own, the possible not beat out. One night is out, got nearly down, it's that be show me no. Make I see now, me I know carry Japanese. So make it show me something, wake up to me strong thing. No, make it to me tease, they gon' make it bite my shot that we did.
Yeah, guys, so you can see how very easy it is to create an Afrobeat from scratch. All you just need to do is have an idea of what you want to create, and you know, you can start with your drums or start with the melodies. Just have some nice sounding one shots and some nice melodies to go along with it, and trust me, you have an amazing beat. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to say something nice in the comment. If you have any questions for me, just drop it in the comment section, and I'm sure I'm gonna respond to any one of you guys that drop a comment. So guys, thank you for watching, and you can also check this video out or check this particular video. You are definitely gonna love it. Thank you guys for watching, and you know, peace.